It's Monday, September 30th, 2024, and it's time to get this party started. I am currently in the parking lot of Jennings Road, about to start my walk for today. And one thing I want to note is that, because I've referenced this before about the microforest project. The Microforest Project is a partnership between the Bermuda Zoological Society and Renaissance-Re. It is supported by Renaissance-Re. So it's a public-private partnership in action. Anyway, we are about to go up the trail from the parking lot at Jennings Road and get on with our walk for today. And within just a few feet of my start, I've come across a bench. I've also come across these steps that come up from North Shore Road. It's interesting. There's the bench. It also seems as though a part of the railway bridge project is in place here. I know that on Friday when we were out, we were looking at the unfinished portion over the bay at Flats Inlet, but this section is completed. And it also seems to be going over a private estate road. So that's coming, that road there is coming off of North Shore Road and going inland. I can't see anything in terms of housing, but I believe that that's probably what it is, a private estate road. Okay, so we're leaving the little bridge now, and it looks like we're back into overgrown grass territory. Not like the railway trail path that we finished up on Friday along North Shore Road there by Shelley Bay, but hey, I guess I'm going to blame Hurricane Ernesto for the grass not being mowed. What can I say? This is what's ahead of us, or ahead of me. Never been on this part of the railway trail before, and as you know, there are lots of areas that I've now covered that I had never been on before. So, hey, a lot of it is new. Don't know what that there is. That structure, like a bridge. The private side is on the left, and the public side is on the right of this trail. Notice the difference. So this trail has already brought me quite a ways inland. It curved from Jennings Road down there on the North Shore to here. It's obviously curving left significantly. So I'm getting away from the sounds of the street, North Shore Road, and I'm on this very, very inland, heavily vegetated area, and this is what I mean. Check out these palm trees. Okay, I just felt sprinkles. They are definitely coming down. Hopefully, if it is going to be a shower, it doesn't last very long. I do have my umbrella, but this is a real spoiler. Darn it. I'm standing on the bridge that is positioned over Store Hill, the railway trail bridge. that is above Store Hill, which is Smith's Parish. Yes, I think I'm still in Smith's Parish. Yep, here comes this car going right under me. And then of course the bridge looks out onto the North Shore. Yeah, this tall grass is just out of control. Oh my goodness. No, I'm not enjoying this at all. That's a lovely house up there. Right on the railway trail. It's still raining. This is a pain. Ugh. But I mean, I am determined to get this walk completed today. So hang in there with me. So here you go. I'm getting back into civilization. Yes, most definitely. And I'm sure I will soon find out exactly where. I think I'm in the area of cable and wireless. This railway trail runs right through these people's yard. I'm thinking I might be in the Loyal Hill neighborhood. I'm not sure, but I think I'll soon find out. Well, at least the rain has stopped. That's a good thing. I'm definitely still on the railway trail. I am going to continue along the railway trail. The Bermuda Railway provided 41 scheduled public passenger stops as well as a private halt to serve Government House and a number of privilege halts. These stopping places were provided in exchange for running rights over private land. Not seeing very many people on this trail, that's for sure. I don't know where I am, but here's another overpass, railway bridge. Oh, yes, I know. I'm in the area of Ocean View Golf Course. Oh, okay, good. Definitely in Devonshire. Then, see the main North Shore Road down there, and the ocean. And this is called Barker's Hill. And I hear little sprinkles on the leaves of the trees. Ugh. And I also just felt a sprinkle on my arm. So from that little overpass, just a matter of a few feet and into an open gate, I am now on Ocean View Golf Course property, and there is the Ocean View Golf Club. So I figure, hey, might as well take a little detour and see what's what. So I'm up on the patio of the Ocean View Golf Club right now, and you're looking at the opening, the gate that I came onto the property through, and then I just walked up that little hill, and there was the patio and the building. But the thing that has now caught my eye is the fact that it looks like there's another ship coming into port on this Monday morning or just about afternoon. So you get to see that there's one already in port, and then there's another one coming into port, and you can see it all from the Ocean View Golf Club. So before I leave this Ocean View Golf Club, I think I should just give you a little bit of information that I just found on it. It was established, first of all, it has a very rich history rooted in community and social progress. This club was established in 1953. It was initially founded by a group of Black Bermudians who sought to create a space where people of color could play golf, as many of the other clubs were still segregated. It is a 9-hole golf course, but obviously if you want to play 18 holes, you just go around twice, I am assuming. I'm not a golfer, so don't take my word for it. But yes, historically, Ocean View Golf Club became a symbol of resilience and empowerment for Bermuda's Black community during that era of racial segregation. So it's still very popular today. Obviously, Bermuda is no longer segregated like that. Are you the pro?
Yeah.
Oh, you are?
Yes,
Can you say something for me? I have a channel called Bermuda Woman.
Okay.
And this is episode 26. As the pro, if you could just say a little bit about the club and...
Yeah, absolutely. Ocean View Golf Course, it's the place to be, right? We're family oriented down here as far as the staff's concerned. You know, for our community club, you know, we like to get people out, come out, have a good time at Ocean View. We have a bar and restaurant set up out the back area as well for people to enjoy. We do cater to events outside of golf as well.
Okay.
They do have like wakes and birthday parties and stuff in the hall. So, yeah.
And what is your name?
I'm OJ Pitcher. Yeah,
OJ
I'm the
Pitcher.
current acting head at Ocean View. I took over from our beloved Brian Morris.
Good.
Have a great day.
Well, good luck with
All right.
everything.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it, right?
Okay.
All right.
So that was my little visit with OJ Pitcher at the Ocean View Golf Club. Check it out when you get here. So the railway trail from Ocean View, within 100 or 200 yards, comes to an intersection with Palmetto Road. So yeah, that is where we are, or where we are approaching right now. So from what I've been made to understand, the original railway trail continued from that point that I just left onto this Palmetto Road. Palmetto Road was the original railway trail. So I'm going to follow this through until whenever. I'm, for some reason, not tired yet. I don't get that. But because I am well into Devonshire right now, and I would have thought that I've walked quite a bit. I'll have to check my steps and see just what's going on here. Palmetto Road was the railway trail. It is now very much a thoroughfare for Bermuda. That is Bermuda's incineration plant. It's called Palmetto Road, so hey, expect to see lots of palmettos. I'm still traipsing along Palmetto Road. So, yep, all of the places that the railway, Bermuda Railway used to go. Don't know what was up here though. And I'm not about to find out today. So I'm now getting into the Duck Hill area of Devonshire. The fact that I'm in Devonshire just makes me realize how small Bermuda is. Because just last week I think I was in St. George's, and already I'm almost halfway back to Dockyard, because Devonshire, once I get through this stretch here, in fact I might go the distance today, but once I get through this stretch I'm going to be back in the city of Hamilton. And from the city of Hamilton, just a few more days out, maybe 2 weeks, 3 times a week, I'll be back in Dockyard. Well, you know that it's really not that long. The distance is about 22.5 miles. And if people can do the annual end-to-end walk in a day, you just realize how small Bermuda really is. I'm still on Palmetto Road, so these are all residences that are located on this road, Palmetto Road. This is so pretty. So anyway, now that I've made it this far, I'm gonna have to go all the way to the city of Hamilton, because otherwise it's gonna mess up my flow in terms of starting points and ending points. So I've got to go to the city of Hamilton because that is the ideal ending point for this walk. Well, Bernard Park and the tennis stadium area is looking pretty good from up here on Palmetto Road. Well, it looks like Canal Road is blocked off. And according to the bus driver who told me that Palmetto Road was the original site of the railway trail through Devonshire into Pembroke, he said it continued into or onto Canal Road. So I guess I'm now going to be off of the original site or location of the railway trail, but that's okay. We're, close to it, and we're going to be running parallel. But here is Blackwatch Pass. There's quite a history to Blackwatch Pass as well. I'll try and put some information in the description below. So do check that out. It goes in that direction, right over there where you see that big arch. Worth a walk through, but not today. I'm just trying to get to the city of Hamilton. Canal Road is this road right here to my left. I am still on Palmetto Road right here. So you can see, like I said, they're running parallel to each other. And apparently Canal Road was the original track for the railway. This is St. John's Church, Anglican Church, the parish church of Pembroke. I cannot believe that I am so close to the city of Hamilton and the main bus depot, having come from Smith's Parish? Yep. Wow. I can't believe it. That's quite a little walk, although I haven't checked the steps, but I will do so in a minute. This here down below me is a continuation of Canal Road. So apparently, like the bus driver said, the railway trail used to run right through this area and this neighborhood here. I'm actually on Cedar Avenue now. For those of you who know, that means I am very close to the bus depot. I'm also entering the limits of the city. Here is the Here is a sign for the city of Hamilton, a welcome sign. Welcome to the city of Hamilton, incorporated 1793. It's good that they're making an effort to repopulate this avenue with actual cedar trees, as you can see here. And then there's a much more mature one over here, probably from 50 years old or thereabouts, because this is Cedar Avenue in the city of Hamilton. Okay, I need to do a little bit of research and find out exactly where the railway trail or the railway ran once it came off of Palmetto Road and how it ran through the city of Hamilton, because I should have done that already, but nevertheless I didn't. But I will check into it and get back to you. So I am in Victoria Park, which is a perfect spot to finish my walk for today. And having come from Jennings Road on the North Shore up here to Victoria Park in the city of Hamilton is a great accomplishment. My total step count for this walk was 9,539 steps. But yep, that's it for today. This is a wrap for episode 26. Victoria Park, situated centrally on the northern side of the city, Victoria Park is widely used as an entertainment venue for concerts and festivals, with its hallmark feature being an ornate bandstand erected in 1889 in commemoration of Queen Victoria's Golden Jubilee. Ornate bandstand right here. Last couple of shots as I leave Victoria Park and coming up the hill. This is the backside of the City Hall. Here I am walking through the City Hall parking lot, and I'm going to go freshen up in the Washington Mall ladies room, and then I'm going to have some lunch. Now it's really a wrap. Episode 26, and I'm out.